Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get 100% off coupon codes on Frontier Airlines for your next flight. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you will need to open your preferred browser on your device, whether you are using a smartphone or desktop. Go ahead and open your preferred browser. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you are on the home page of your browser, there you will find a search bar at the top of your device. Go ahead and type Frontier Airlines coupon codes and search for it. With that, you will get links of different websites. You can visit any one of these, and with that, you will get discount on your flight. But among these websites, this one, Coupon Flow, is the iconic website where you will find incredible deals and offers, which you are not going to find anywhere else. It is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, regularly updated offers, and vast selection of retailers. So go ahead and click on this link, and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for Frontier Airlines flight. Let me click here. Here you can see tons of offers including discounts on specific orders like 50% off, fly for free, it means 100% off, 10% off, 5% off, 90% off, and so on. You can grab any one of these offers, and for that what you need to do is you will need to just simply click on the offer which is best suited to you. So go ahead and click on the offer which is best suited to you, and with that you will be led into another page where you will find code for that offer along with its details. Let me click here on this second offer, that is fly for free. It means 100% off, and here you will find code for that offer. Make sure that the code is not expired, and if the code is not expired, you will need to click on this copy option, and this will copy the code. Once the code is copied, now you will need to click on this redeem option which is just below the code, and with that you will be led into the official website of Frontier Airlines. Let me click here. Here you are on the official website of Frontier Airlines. First of all, you will need to either log in or sign up into your Frontier account. If you have account, then you can simply log in into it. But if you don't have an account yet, then first of all you will need to create your Frontier Airlines account by clicking on this sign up option, and with that you will get created your Frontier account, and after that you can log in into your Frontier Airlines account. Once you are logged in into your Frontier Airlines account, now you can book your flight and move to the checkout page. At the checkout page you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously, and with that you will get flight for free. And in this way, you can fly for free using Frontier Airlines coupon code. Now let's head back to the Coupon Flow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers which are available here. You have to use the same exact steps which you used previously, and with that, you will get discount on your flight. But make sure that the code is not expired. And if the code is not expired, you will get discount on your flight. But if the code is expired, then you are not going to get discount. Now let's head back to the home page of our browser. Here, beside this Coupon Flow website, you can visit other websites as well as, and from there also you can save significant amount of money on your next flight. So friends, that's all about how to get 100% off coupon codes on Frontier Airlines for your next flight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.